mega crosswind, so if I keep going straight up, we're not going to get any of that. Good morning from Ullapool. It is still really early, so as you saw just then, we got up at 4 because we're going to set off early because there's going to be a huge storm coming in, and so we got up early. We want to set off early to complete the 150k today. But when we got up, the wind was howling. It was shaking the motorhome, like literally shaking it. We were like, oh, this is probably a little bit windy. So we checked the weather and it's died down a lot now. It's really calm. But we've decided to change the route slightly. So rather than, I'll show it you on the map, but basically we're just making a little shortcut. So rather than going out round the coast, we're just making one shortcut straight up. So and the reason for that is we want to get in before the storm hits, probably around, I think it's about 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock it's going to hit, so it's going to be like 40-mile-an-hour winds apparently, with a fair bit of rain. So yeah, Scotland is very changeable, so for us we just want to get there and arrive safely and not have to, because that's the thing, the extra bit that we're doing, the little bit that we've chopped out, is not suitable for motorhome, so it's not like we could get on there and then decide, oh, it's a little bit too windy, and be picked up because Sarah can't drive the motorhome on that. So it's only about 50k that we're cutting out, so we'll be doing the north coast, what is it, 480 or something. So it's going to be like 750k, so
at least 20 mile an hour.
Do you think it was?
Yeah, came out and it was like, you know, standing up straight was an issue.
So we're about 25k and just stopping for a quick little snack. This is our little view this morning. These lovely gentlemen. Alright. So yeah, I think we've decided that we're gonna just cut the route. So it'll be like 105 rather than 155. So yeah, we are very lucky with the weather this morning to say how windy it was. So yeah, it's very serene and very pretty. Right, so this is where we were meant to go, that way. Instead, we're going that way.
Isn't it crazy that Ullapool's only 26 miles back?
It feels like we've been out so long. We've had so many stops. We've had little drone stops, we've had food stops, we've had wee stops, and now we've got to stop just to see that we're changing the route.
This whole route is a definition of the scenic route, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you could do it all
Really short, yeah.
circumnavigate Scotland much quicker.
Yeah, but I kind of like that it's just for the sake of it. That's the whole point. It's just for the sake of riding.
That's why you ride anyway, isn't it?
That's why we ride.
Sorry guys. I like hills, but I don't think my bike does. If I go faster, it gets faster.
So we've been really lucky with the weather. It's just started to rain, so the camera's going to go away. I'm going to put my rain jacket on and then we're just going to head back. We've already got about 25k, so we're probably just going to head down, pound it back. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice, but wet. It is raining. Just come back to all those sheep, but this is phenomenal. Look at this. Like, what? Me and Greg were just saying we both feel so lucky to be able to ride this, to be able to like just experience it, even if it's raining. It's just, you have to come and do this route. It is phenomenal. So we got back just in the nick of time. Like this whole windy. Like the door kept swinging. Are the toilets that way? Then me, stupidly, I brought like summer clothes. Got damn windy and very, very wet. This is so windy! Greg, did we make the right decision to do the shorter route? Do you reckon?
No, I'm just starting to enjoy it in the last hour.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. We're not blustery, but if it was really sunny, that would be damn nice. Come on, Mr. Weatherman. Rain, wind.
So tomorrow morning,
Yes, tomorrow morning.
band of rain there, that's us there,
Yeah.
and this one here.
Yeah. Keep it going.
So it's not too bad at
Ah.
70. We're there, there's that there.
7.
And then it clears like 4 p.m. There's nothing there at all.
Wow. The reality is we need all day. Because
So
we've got
probably,
175
so I'd say probably still go early.
kilometres
Go
to
early
rain.
And arrange a lunch stop
There
or
could
something.
be an
Yeah,
option
we
of
do that again.
longer lunch if we need
Yeah.
to.
Like the other day.
Yeah.
Ride, long lunch, and then head back out.
Yeah, do that.